afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Respected guests, honorable teachers, and my dear friendly students, on behalf of this auspicious Freshers Welcome, Teachers Day, and Doctors Day, I would like to thank you all for giving me a space and pace here. I am very glad to see that our Susti Electro-Homeopathic Medical College has endeared itself by celebrating the day with much vivacity and enthusiasm. My special thanks to anchor, Mr. Brother, who is very polite, gentle, and sober in his speech, in his description. Thank you very much from the core of my heart. My special thanks to my dear student Orpita, who invited me day before last over telephone mast. Kopati, who invited me along with her supporting staff to attend this gala day. My special thanks to Mr. Shakti Padasi, who almost single-handedly managed this college from the very beginning, at least 10 to 15 years ago. Thank you very much. Freshers welcome. It is very heartiest function. Freshers will come again for the next subsequent years, older ones. I would like to say that you should continue your classes a regular pattern, and in any condition, if you feel any deficiency, you may specially ask with me over telephone after 9 p.m. and I will try my level best to help you. Mind that you are going to be a doctor in near future. Another thing I would like to say that this is not a homeopathic college. Don't take it otherwise. It is electro-homeopathic college. So my special welcome to you. Try to be an electro-homeopathic physician, not other than that. He is giving some description, he is giving some welcome address about the purity and the function of homeopathy or allopathy. We have so many doctors here from different corners. Allopathy, homeopathy, electro-homeopathy. Dr. Shakti Padasi is a classical homeopathy doctor. So don't be diverted your mind. Please keep concentration on electro-homeopathy. You have to concentrate your mind on your pathy only. Yes, Dr. Shakti Padasi has said that electro-homeopathy is very, very marvelous. It can cure so many incurable diseases. So why not? So keep your steering on electro-homeopathy, not other than that. There are so many enlightened features about allopathy, about homeopathy. But electro-homeopathy, this is one of the older medicines, older pathies. Thank you very much. Next, come to the point, Doctors Day. You know that Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai, whose date of birth and date of expiry is same, 1st July. He was a very prominent teacher of West Bengal. And his clinical life was very crucial, very important. Whenever he used to enter in his hospital, when he used to cross over a corridor, a patient of liver abscess, a patient of lung cancer, without any investigation, he can guess, yes, he is a patient of lung cancer. Yes, he is a patient of liver abscess. Why it was possible? Because he had so much elaborate knowledge on his allopathic system, on anatomy, on physiology, and so on and allied science. So not only his allopathic system, but physiology, anatomy, pathology, medicine, whatever may be, he has sound knowledge. So try to gather that sound knowledge. Now come to the one Teachers' Day. You know that 5th September is celebrated as a Teachers' Day. Mr. Anwar said that 5th September is National Teachers' Day and 5th October is International Teachers' Day. 5th September Teachers' Day Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan said that we should congratulate the best minds from teachers in our country. Why did he say this? See, they say this because teachers can hold the steering. The teacher is possible to divert the students in the proper way. There are so many subjects: arts, science, commerce, engineering, medical science, drama, painting, drawing. But teachers can guess that this student is eligible for science, this student is eligible for commerce. So teachers are the best architect of our society. If an engineer does something wrong, a bridge can collapse, a building can collapse. If a doctor does something wrong, a patient can die. Nothing other than that. But if a teacher does something wrong, a total social structural pattern, a total social framework will be collapsed. So teachers are the best guide, best friend, best philosopher of our society. So why should we pay homage to the teachers? But the modern day does not say like that. Dwarida said that present day teachers are not like that. If there is any teacher, don't take it otherwise. Electronic media, print media, daily we see that teachers are being thrashed, they are being kicked, they are being illegally politicized. So there is no fame, there is no honor, there is no credit of the teachers. On the other hand, the teachers are doing something wrong with the students, especially the girl students. They are illegitimately handling the girl students. This is not evident to us. So this is a dual show. Teachers must be strong enough, students must be honest enough. Yes, the social framework is gradually becoming collapsed now. They are being politically, illegally politicized. That is not evident to us. So students must have 4 qualities and teachers must have 4 qualities. The students should have desire, discipline, dedication, determination. If a student does possess these 4 qualities, you are sure he will stand on the one day. On the other hand, a teacher must have 4 qualities. That is 4 C's. These are conscience, compassion, commitment, and competence. If a perfect teacher has had these 4 qualities, yes, he will be a perfect one. So let us celebrate this day. Finally, I welcome that a very strong finish, strong grand finale of this well done function. Thank you very much. Goodbye.